Hi vlog. We're currently on our way to Dallas to pick up our camper. We're stopping for gas right now, but yes, we're on our way to Dallas and we're not in a rush or anything. Hi guys, we made a stop at McDonald's so we can pick up food for dinner and then just rest when we get to the hotel. We're almost there actually to the hotel. We're stopping for the night and then continue driving to our next location tomorrow. Can't wait to get some rest because I'm starting to get really sleepy and tired and just ready for a good night's rest. Good morning. I just woke up and I'm fixing to get ready for the day because we're gonna hit the road in a little bit to our next location and it's gonna be a busy day. Let's get ready. To our next destination. We only have 2 hours and 13 minutes left. It's kind of windy where we're at right now, but there's literally nothing here. Like all I can see is mountains and nothing. Look. Yep, that's Texas. Alrighty, we're just gonna keep driving and I'll get back with you when we get there. one last stop at Love's to tank up. The truck couldn't make it, so we made a stop at Love's. I already tanked up. I'm just connecting some gimbals. We have an hour and 30 minutes to the campground, and we should be there around 9:06 a.m. I need to pee, but I'm just gonna hold it in until we get there because I can't wait to get settled and then do all the stuff we need to be done for today. So I'll catch up with you when we get there. So we finally made it to the campground, but we still haven't parked yet though. I think the office is just right there, and Honey's gonna go talk to them so we know where we're gonna be parking and all that good stuff.